So, my dear friends, let's start your question number 4. According to question number 4, Hanif has a cumulative bank account deposited rupees 600 per month for a period of 4 years. If he gets rupees 5880 as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. As I have told you that here the question may ask you to find out the rate of interest. So here we have to calculate the rate of interest. See here, what is your monthly deposit? That is your money deposited or month is equal to rupees 600. Then your time, t is equal to 4 years. So find out it in months. So number of months is equal to n is equal to 4 into 12 is equal to 48 months. So now you have to calculate here I. So before going to I, here it gives you interest, I is equal to rupees 5880. So here I can put here formula that P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So it will be equals to 5880. So in case of P, I have to write here 600. R is equal to, R we don't know, R by 100. So n is equal to your 48 into 48 plus 1 in bracket by 2 into 12 is equal to 5880. So now let's cancel this 2, then 6 to the 12, 2 4 if you cancel 12 for the 48. So now it will be 12 into 49 into R is equal to 5880. So R is equal to 5880 by 12 into 49. 49 here. See, here if I multiply, so now cancel it. 0 is there, so if you cut it by 2, here it will be 6, here it will be 2, 9, 4, 0. Again, if you cancel 9, then 9 means if you cancel it with 7, you cancel it with 7 is a 49, then 7, 4 is a 28, 7 2 is a 14, 4 20. Then again 7 6 is a 42, so here it will be 10. So R is equal to, that implies R is equal to 10% is your answer. So put it in a box and write ans in the last. So this is all about your question number 4. In this way you can solve the problem. So question number 4 is over. So let's go for the question number 5. So question number 5, before going to question number 5, let me clean the board. So we will continue with question number 5. So in this question number 5, see what we have to do. Let's read out. Then David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. He received rupees 7725 or 7,725 at the time of maturity. Find the rate of interest. See here I have told you that two kinds of problem can come in case of rate of interest finding. So here in first case you have find that interest is given, but here maturity value is given. From the maturity value you have to calculate R. So how we will do? See, first question number 5. Here P is equal to monthly deposit or money deposited per month, is equal to rupees 300. Then your for time is equal to t is equal to 2 years, and number of months is equal to n is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Then you have to calculate I. I is equal to P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So here P is equal to 300, R is equal to, we don't know, so R by 100 you have to write, then time is equal to 24 into 24 plus 1 by 2 into 12. So 12 to the, then 0 0 cancel here, then 2 also cancel. So here you will get 3 into 25 into R, which will be equal to 75 R. Then as per your question, maturity value is equal to rupees how much? 7725. 7725. So here I can write NP plus I is equal to rupees 7725. So in this question, one thing you just remember, sometime in this type of question, the question can ask you find the I also, I. So how you will calculate I? See here, 24 into 3 is 72, 7200 plus I is equal to 7725. So I is equal to 7725 minus rupees 7200 is equal to rupees 525. So if in your question find the interest, so you can write here directly 525. Then again, but I is equal to 75 R. So 525 is equal to 75 R. So R is equal to 525 by 75. Now solve it. 75 here. So cancel it. It will be 15. If you cut it in 15, then 105. Then 15. 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105. So it will be 7. So R percentage. Therefore R percentage is equal to 7% answer. So in this way you have to solve this kind of problems. So now I have completed question number 5. So let us go for the question number 6. So let me rub the board, then I will read the question. See, in this way I will have to solve question number 5. Now question number 6. According to question number 6, let me read out the question. Mr. Gupta open a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got 67,500. Find the total interest on and rate of interest per annum. Whatever I have discussed in the previous question, same question here. See how we will solve this one. Number 6. See, so P is equal to money deposited per month is equal to rupees 2500. Then as per your question, time is equal to T is equal to 2 years. So number of months is equal to n is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. 24 months. Then the time of maturity is your 67,500. So first you go for the I. I is equal to P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So it will be equals to 2500 into R is equal to, R don't know, so R by 100 into 24 into 24 plus 1, 25. You can write it directly. 24 plus 1, you can write it. Then 0, 12 2 cancel, and 0 0 cancel. Then it will be 625 R. But what is the maturity value here? Maturity value is equal to 67,500. So maturity value formula is NP plus I is equal to 67500. So now N how much? 24. P is how much? 2500 plus I is equal to rupees 67,500. So what will be the value? These two multiply, you will get max 25 into 24. 25 into 24 is equal to 0, then it will be equals to 100 into then 50. So it will be 60,000. It will be 60,000. 60,000 plus 25 in plus I is equal to 60,000 plus I is equal to 67,500. So wait. 67,500. So I is equal to rupees 67,500 minus 60,000 is equal to 7,500. So interest you have calculated. If bit 1 you have calculated, so bit 1 you have calculated here. Bit 2, but I is equal to 7500. But I is equal to how much? 625 R is equal to rupees 7500. Don't write rupees here, 7500. So R is equal to 7500 by 625. You write. Then you will cancel this. Then you will get here 25. You cancel 25 3. So it will be here 25 625. You know. So here it will be 25. Here it will be how much? It will be 300. Then again 25 1 here 12. So R is equal to 12%. Therefore R is equal to 12%. So this is all about your question number 6. So my dear friends, let's start with question number 7. Shahrukh opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposit rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. He received 15,084 rupees at the time of maturity. Find the rate of interest per annum. So you know how to write. So number 7, let me write on the board. So P is equal to money deposited per month. Money deposited per month. So money deposited per month is equal to how much? For Shahrukh it is 800. Then what is your next time? Time T is equal to 1.5 year. 1.5 year means it will be equals to 3/2 year. So number of months, comma, n is equal to 3/2 into 12 months. So which will be equals to 18 months. 18 months. So now what you have to calculate? I have to calculate interest. So interest I is equal to formula we know P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. In this way you have to write. So now it will be equals to 800 into R percentage we don't know, so R by 100 into time is equal to 18 into 19. How I have written? Right, 19. So 18 plus 1, n plus 1, n is equal to 18. So 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So now we can cancel these two. Then 2 4 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, then 3 6 ja. So 19 6 ja will be how much? 19 6 ja it will be 54, then 6 5 11, 114 R. So your interest will be 114 R. Then now what is the maturity value formula? Maturity value is equal to NP plus I. So maturity value here given 15,084 and n is equal to 18, per month deposit is equal to 800. So I is equal to, so let us calculate I first. So 15,084 is equal to 18 8 ja, it will be 8 8 ja 64, then 4 will be here, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So 14,400. So I is equal to 15 14,084 minus 14,400. If you subtract these two, you will get 84. Then here it will be 6. 10 minus 6. Then 684 rupees will be your interest. But I is equal to 114 R. So 684 is equal to 114 R. So R is equal to 684 by 114. If you cancel these two, you will get 6%. 6%. So 6% is your answer. So in this way you can solve question number 7.